Good morning, students. Myself is Dr. Sarika Shrivastava, and I am from Sagar Institute of Research and Technology. Today, I explain isolation, identification, and analysis of glycyrrhiza. The glycyrrhiza is a chemical phosphate which is obtained from the liquorized root. The glycyrrhiza, the common name of glycyrrhiza is liquorized sweet wood, Mulithi regolizia, Jesthamut, Mat, Jesti, Matu. The biological source of glycyrrhiza. It is obtained from the dried, unpeeled roots and stolons of Glycyrrhiza glabra. It is belonging to family Leguminaceae. The parts uses roots and stolon. The geographical source is commercially cultivated in Spain and England. The allied species of Glycyrrhiza is Glycyrrhiza urulensis. The licorice or Glycyrrhiza chemical constraint and uses. It contains glycyrrhizin, glycogenic acid. The glycogenic acid is a major glycoside. Glyceritic acid is a glycol. It also contains glucuronic acid and flavonoids and charcoal glycosides. It contains sugar, glucose, mannitol. It also contains resins and volatile oil. The uses of licorice is antipyretic, antidiuretic. It is also used as an antibacterial, antihyperlipidic, anti-atherosclerotic, spasmolytic, cerebral artery occlusions, sweetness, myocardial ischemia, antifungal. It is also used as a used in hepatotoxicity, as an anti-inflammatory, as an antioxidant, in anti-tumor, as an expectorant, in anti-genotoxic, as a osteogenic, anti-mutagenic, and it is also used in wound healing process. The isolation of glycyrrhizin. The isolation of glycyrrhizin is mainly depends on its solubility. The glycyrrhizin is soluble in hot water and alcohol, but slightly soluble in cold water and insoluble in ether. There are three methods for the isolation of glycyrrhizin. The first method is acid precipitation method. Second is alcohol extraction method. Third is ammonia extraction method. In first acid precipitation method, we use 50 grams of liquorized powder and 300 ml of water in the beaker and boil with stirring. Decant the supernatant liquid, filter the remaining residue and collect the filtrate. Adjust pH 2.8 by the addition of acid. Glycyrrhizin precipitate out. Filter and collect the precipitate. Wash the precipitate with cold water to make it free from acid. Transfer the precipitate to china dish and gently to remove the water content. Shiny brown mass of glycyrrhizin or glycyrrhiza is obtained. The second method of isolation is alcohol extraction method, in which we use 50 grams of powder drug into 500 ml beaker and add 100 ml methanol, mix it. Add another 100 ml methanol and left for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we collect the filtrate. The extract this methanolic extract with 3 portions of petroleum ether. Subsequently, with benzene, ethyl acetate, chlorium, and solvent ether. Transfer methanolic layer into china dish and evaporate in water bath to get glycyrrhizin. The third method is isolation is ammonia extraction method. In this method, we glycyrrhizin is extracted with hot water and filtrate. Filtrate is acidified with concentrate H2SO4 to pH 2.8. Precipitate is dissolved in dilute ammonium hydroxide and poured into acetone to precipitate ammonium glycinate. The precipitate is dissolved in hot water and evaporate to get ammonium glycyrrhinate. The identification is done by Lieberman test, in which we mix 2 ml of test solution with 2 ml of acetic anhydride water and boil it and add 0.5 ml of H2SO4. Blue color appear that show the presence of glycyrrhizic acid. TLC. For the identification, we also use TLC. In the TLC, we use stationary phase of silica gel G, mobile phase of ethyl acetate, formic acid, glacial acetic acid, butanol, glacial acetic acid, and water in ratio is 7:1:2. The estimation of glycyrrhiza is done by with the help of 5 methods. First, TLC densitometry. Second, colorimetry method. Third, UV spectroscopic method. Fourth is SPTLC method. And fifth, HPLC method. Thank you so much.